Why do people live like a bird? Why do people live like a bird, drifting from place to place, with no roots, no cage, just wings and the wind? Some live this way by choice, chasing freedom, peace, the open sky. They crave simplicity. They fly, not to escape, but to feel alive. Others don't have a choice. They move because they must, because life never gave them a nest to call their own. To live like a bird is to live light, to carry dreams instead of burdens. It's not always easy, but sometimes it's the only way to stay free. What kind of life are you living?